Good morning, class second. Class is for English literature, and yesterday we have started chapter 12, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. So, class, yesterday you have understood this story. This story is about a girl whose name was Curly Locks and her visit into a cottage in which there are three bears lived. Okay, so this story is about Curly Locks and the three bears. So, you have understood this story. So, today you will complete the book exercise of this chapter. Okay. So this is your book exercises. Okay, the first is the word curly and hungry tells us about curly locks. Can you find some more words which is describe the bears and form them into sentences of your own? Class, here in this question you have to write some describing words like the word curly and hungry. Tell us something about curly locks. That curly locks hair was curly, okay, and that's how her name was Curly Locks. And she was also hungry. That's how she ate the porridge, okay. So just like this, you have to write some describing word about the bears, okay, some adjective words. So you can write protective, caring, confident, large, strong, curious, soft spoken, cuddly, talkative, and brave. Okay, so that's how you can write something about the bears. Okay, and you have to also make some sentences with the help of these describing words in your rough notebook. Okay, next thing is write 5 lines on my family. Here in this space you have to write 5 lines about your family. Okay, here you can write like my family is very small, it has 5 members, I have 2 brothers who play with me, my mother cooks very tasty food, and my father is a doctor. Okay, my father is a doctor. So just like this, you can write some lines. You have to write 5 lines about your family. That how's your family. Okay, so this is done. Next thing is, let's listen and enjoy. A sailor went to the sea. See, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. So class, here there is a story about this sailor, okay, who is working, who is going in a sea. And here you will get that the word sea, S-E-A, and the word sea, S-E-E, okay, these are homophones word. Okay, C and C are homophones word. Okay, in which spelling are different, meaning are different, but their pronunciation are same. When you speak these words, it will look like same word, C and C. The first C, S-E-A, it means a large amount of water. Okay, and here the second C, S-E-E, it means to look anything. Okay, so these words are called homophones word. So just like this, you have to make sentences with C and C, tail and tail. Okay, here the first C, it means a large amount of water. This C, S-E-E, it means to look anything. T-A-I-L, tail, it means the backside of any animal. Okay, and here the tail, T-A-L-E, tail, it means story. So you have to make some sentences by using these words like the sea water is salty, I can see your house, my dog's tail is too short, and the fourth is my mother told me a fairy tale. Okay, so clear class, how to this question? In this you have learned about some homophones word, okay, in which their spelling and meaning are different but pronunciation are same. Okay, so this is done. Next thing is, the bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in, look at what they did. Okay, here in this story you have learned about Curly Locks, that one day she went to the cottage, and she also enjoyed the porridge, and also slept on the baby bear beds. Okay, so here in this you can see in this picture something is happening in the house, so you have to complete the sentences. First is write about all the things kept in the wrong places. Okay, here in this question you have to write about the things that kept in the wrong places. Okay, so here the first is a ball dash Papa Bear's plate. So here this is not the correct place now. This is the correct place for ball. No, no. So the first is a ball is kept on Papa Bear's plate. Okay, this is the wrong place. Second, a flower dash Mama Bear's plate. Here in this picture, is it the correct place for flowers? No, no. So here we'll write a flower is kept on Mama Bear's plate. Next wrong thing is a dash is plant is kept near baby bear's chair. Here you can see it's a baby bear's chair. Okay, and here near the chair there is a plant. So is this a correct place for a plant? No, this is not the correct place, na wrong place na. So we will write a plant is kept near baby bear's chair. Okay, so clear how to this question? You have to find out three things that is at the wrong place. First is ball, second is flower, and third is plant. Now next thing is what else do you see in the picture? Okay, you have to write some things name that you saw in the picture. So you can write I can see a kitten. Okay, here in this picture you can see a kitten, a rat. Okay, also you can see a rat and a shoe. Okay, so here in this picture there are things that you can see in the picture. Okay, shoe, rat and kitten. So clear class how to this question? So here chapter 12 curly locks and the three bears book exercise is totally completed. Hope you all understood very well about all of them. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.